G'day members. Today we have another special treat for you. We've gone around and we've spoken to all our mentors and we've asked them 2 questions. So the first one is, what makes an outstanding mentor? The second question is, if you weren't a mentor, what would you be doing now? And I'm really excited for you guys to hear their answers. It's great. All right, let's get to it.
An ability to listen to members' concerns.
For me, it's really about, do you care?
I think people like a real person, and I'm a very real person. As long as I show people that I'm authentic, I'm real, and I care about, my members genuinely, I think people can feel it.
I cannot mentor you about something which I have a concept about. I can only tell you about something that I've been through. That's the difference between mentor and a coach, giving them the confidence that it is possible, it is doable.
I firmly believe it starts with the member, really thinking from the member's point of view. I think that's the most important quality. And what I mean by that is everyone is in a different situation and they all have their unique set of circumstances. So as a mentor, it's critical to understand that thoroughly.
Quite often people think it's about a property, but it's actually far from the truth. Having that human-to-human connection and really understand what the member wants to get out of it. And then doing our best to help them achieve the goal. And this is also the key thing, sometimes even before they believe in themselves. So for me personally, I've just got this firm belief that every average Aussies out there with the average salary, they can do this, they can build product portfolios. So sometimes for us, it's just really find out that driver deep down and then help them discover that and utilize that to help them achieve their goals.
As a mentor, it's really about you guiding people to get what they want. If regardless you have knowledge or skill, all this, but if you don't care, there's nothing will happen. When you care, there's a lot of things can be done. And obviously, it will take skill and knowledge. Obviously, we need to improve. But bottom line is, are we caring?
Could have been some kind of consulting. You got to be able to solve the problems and make sure it's done, not leave the problems to others.
I look at what I'm doing as a mentor. It's very fulfilled. Especially after you do so many years, you saw people had brilliant results through your guidance, but or still pick up the work that relate to the people. Maybe the community work, something with the people, something that you can help.
I like driving. I may actually become, something like bus driver or Uber driver, actually. Because as an Uber driver, you get to meet lots of people. And I reckon there could be a lot of interesting conversations.
There's always a dream in my heart, is that I would like to be a TV presenter or like a radio host.
If I'm not doing the mentoring, I like the role being a teacher. Kind of really share a lot of common ground as a mentor, because I think that I really enjoy the activity of passing on what I've learned, and then so that other people can benefit from my experiences, good or bad.